Preparation of Shweta Parpati by Department of Rasashastra and Bhishaja Kalpana, DGM Ayurvedic Medical College, Gadag. Let's begin. Let's see the contents. Introduction, history, types of Parpati, Shweta Parpati. In that, reference, ingredients, method of preparation, Siddhi Lakshanas and precautions. In Rasashastra, Parpati Kalpana is one among the 4 major pharmaceutical procedures involving Parada usage. In Ayurveda, a method of preparation in which metallic flakes is formed by pouring molten metal over the leaves of plants is known as Parpati. Because of its form, the name is given to this formulation is Parpati, and the method of preparation is made in the form of thin flakes. Now let's know about the history of Parpati Kalpana. Acharya Nagarjuna treatise written in 8th century named Rasendra Mangala. It is mentioned that Parpati is used in Kushtaroga. Chakradatta written by Acharya Chakrapani, which is considered to be the treatise of 11th century, has explained the Parpati and highlighted it as a Rasa Parpati, which is indicated in Grahaniroga. Bhaishya Ratnavali written by Acharya Govindadas Sen, which is the text of 19th century, explains many Parpatis while explaining Rasa Parpati. Now let's move to the types of Parpati. Parpati types based on the usage of Parada and Gandhaka. There are mainly 2 types. They are Sagandha Parpati and Nirgandha Parpati. Sagandha Parpati are the Parpati containing Parada and Gandhaka in its preparation, whereas Nirgandha Parpati is prepared without the usage of Parada and Gandhaka. Few of the Sagandha Parpati are as follows: Rasa Parpati, Gagana Parpati, Tamra Parpati, Swarna Parpati, Loha Parpati, Bola Parpati and etc. And few of the Nirgandha Parpatis are Shweta Parpati, Malla Parpati, Sitala Parpati and etc. Now let's begin the practical preparation of Shweta Parpati. And here is the reference of preparation. According to Rasodhara Tantra, it is mentioned that Karshavimshati Manaha Syat Suryakshārascha Shobhanaha, which means 20 Karsha Pramana of Suryakshara is to be taken. Patika Pancha Karsha Syat Pakva Pandura Shubha, which means 5 parts of Shuddha Spatika is to be taken, which is whitish in color. Tankhano Navyasarascha Karpuram Cha Pratush Vikarsha Pramitam Grahyam Sarvamekatra Karayet, which means Tankana Navasadara is to be taken in equal quantity, that is 3 Karsha, and Karpura is taken 4 parts. Above mentioned are the ingredients for the preparation of Shweta Parpati. And let's move towards the method of preparation. Excepting Karpura, all the other ingredients are taken in a mud sharava and heated over mild fire to melt them. When whole drug mass is liquefied, the sharava is taken out from the fire and Karpura is added in specified quantity, which melts itself in its own. Now this liquefied drug mixture is used to prepare Parpati as per the classical method. Take a ghee smeared Kadali Patra and pour this liquefied drug mixture on it. Let it cool and the end product in the form of Parpati is stored in an airtight glass container for the further therapeutic use. Here in our lab we are preparing a Shweta Parpati according to the reference Rasatantra Sara. Under the guidance of Dr. M.V. Sobgin Sir, HOD of Department Rasashastra and Bhishaja Kalpana, DGM Ayurvedic Medical College, Gadag. Preparation by Dr. Suvarna P. Nirgundi Ma'am, Associate Professor, Department of RSBK, DGM Ayurvedic Medical College, Gadag. And Dr. Rudresh Devdar Sir, Assistant Professor, Department of RSBK, DGM Ayurvedic Medical College, Gadag. The ingredients are as follows: Suryakshara 1 part, Spatika 1/8 part, Navasadara 116 part. And the method of preparation is, all the ingredients are powdered in a clean kalva yantra. The mixture is taken in mud sharava. And this mixture is heated with moderate fire until all these drug materials melts. And this molten liquid is soon hurdled on a clean, soft and even stony surface. As it cools down, the flakes are collected as an end product and stored in an airtight glass container for further therapeutic uses. The product will be white colored with Ksharia rasa and characteristic odor. And here is a note. Mud sharava is used instead of any metallic vessels to melt the ingredients. This is done with the intention of preventing any possible reaction of the Ksharia dravyas with the vessels. Now let's know about the dosage, adjuvant and therapeutic utility of Shvetaparpati. As mentioned in classic that 1 to 10 rati, that is 125 mg to 1.25 mg, is used as kapha prayoga along with water, tender coconut, sugar cane juice, milk with sugar or any other Mutrala kashayas. It is claimed to be an effective Mutrala, Svedala, Vatanulomaka, and it is useful in Mutrakritra, Ashmari and Mutraghata. Thank you for watching.